pilgrims hand in hand, spreading joy across the land. Hearts of hope, voices bright, guided by Jesus, our true light. In our hearts His love will grow, leading us wherever we go. With each step we sing His praise, finding hope in all our days. We know that God is always near. By our side, He'll always stay, guiding us through every day. Through dark valleys we will climb, lifting others one step at a time. With His cross we'll banish fears, in our hearts He dries our tears. Here we are, pilgrims of hope. Together we stand strong, His love lets us go. Here we are, in His hands we glow. With Him by our side, no fear can hold us now. So let's walk together in love and light, as pilgrims of hope will shine so bright. With faith as our guide, we'll reach for the stars. Together